close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
मेन पे नहीं आज के ऐसा सब मुसाफिर अपनी स्टोरी
अच्छे तरीके से बहुत सारे लोगों को आईएलटीएस की इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज की ट्रेनिंग जो है वो दे चुके हैं और बहुत सारे लोग जो हैं वो बर्मिंघम मुल्क जा चुके हैं। तो आज हमारे लिए खुशी की बात है कि हमारे दरमियान जो डायरेक्टर हैं स्पेशल डायरेक्टर की किताब चालने नाम साहब मौजूद है, तो हम उनको तालियां बजाकर
when I say clap, I want to hear one
synchronized clap. Synchronized clap होता है जिसमें बोलेंगे इकट्ठे एक साथ आए बस एक सिंगल clap. And then I say name, आप क्या बोलेंगे? सुभान. क्या बोलेंगे? सुभान. अपना नाम लेना भाई. सुभान is my name. Okay, so when I say name, you will call upon your name. Got it? So clap. Clap. Amazing clap. Name. When name, don't clap. Name. Name. Yeah. Name. Why are you clapping? All right, perfect. Let's shuffle it. When I say name, you will clap. When I say clap, you will call upon your name. Got it? Clap. The point. Clap. Clap. Yeah. अभी भी ताली कौन बजा? Come on. Name. 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 Yeah. Please, thank you very much. Please, thank you very much.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
Ah, my cat died.
Oh, I don't care. I need to leave right now.
That was not a part of activity, by the way. समझ रहे? और अगर मैं आगे ऐसे करता, you know what? My cat died. Who would like to know? Perfect, very nice. I'm standing over this.
Hey, hi. You know what? I just won our cricket prize. I just won first position in the cricket prize.
Fantastic! What a great team player. That's why you deserve it. Wonderful. My Uber is waiting. I have to.
I'm sure you're really close.
Who would come? कौन है? हाँ जी तक.
No, I got the third parents are.
हंस के. मजा आया? पता लगे गाड़ी लगी है. Come on.
No, I got third parents are.
Oh my god. I just
Oh my God, she's still laughing. Oh, I got hit by a car. Oh my gosh.
how? Can you tell me?
He was crying.
Oh my god.
All the ambulance.
Just wait, I'm calling.
पता लग रहा है मुझे बाकी लगी ये गाइस समझ आ रही है पावर एक्सप्रेशन और इसलिए इतना मुश्किल नहीं है बताना कि मेरा एक्सीडेंट हो गया क्या नहीं चल आप बिल्कुल आप वाह You are very confident. इधर आना बहुत बड़ी बात है. Good job. Please go ahead.
Oh no, I got hurt in my car.
Oh.
He was a blind person.
Oh my God. You take care of yourself. Actually, you have to go to somewhere. Okay, bye bye. I will talk to you later.
बातें करके अपॉर्चुनिटी तो बता रहे हैं